Aloha to Sherry the Merry Mermaid. Look behind me. I have company in the pool today. My wife is with me. Now, I have a fun song. It's a TV theme song. And if you look at my wife just floating in the water in a pool, this is one of the activities that you can enjoy on the Love Boat. Love, exciting and new. Come aboard. We're expecting you and love. Life's sweetest reward. Let it flow. It floats back to you. The Love Boat. Soon we'll be making another run. The Love Boat promises something for everyone. Set a course for adventure, your mind on a new romance. And love won't hurt anymore. It's an open door on a friendly shore. It's love. Welcome aboard. It's love. I hope you laugh as much as I do when I'm doing this. Of course I had to have a little love boat. You can't really see the pool from here, but it's there. Well, I don't know what your plans are, but if you have some travel plans for the summer, maybe a cruise is on that list and you'll enjoy yourself. But right now it is time for me to stop singing and time for me to swim. So whatever your plans are for the day or the week or the summer, just be kind and compassionate and loving, and you'll get all that back, I promise. But right now, it is time for you. That's right, I like this part the best. It's time for you to go make that big splash in your world today.